She is just having a cow. She's gonna get her a chipmunk. Funny thing is, though, I was watching her this morning and I didn't have my camera, and I watched a little chipmunk pop his head out of one of those little slats there when she was on the other side. Of course, she jumped over, tried to get it, and it disappeared. I think they're teasing her now. I walked out here to the little backfield out here by the barn to see if I could sneak up on any deer. Yeah, I don't think I'm sneaky enough, but that's okay. I tried. That's all that matters. Let's try. Someone's been sleeping in the outhouse. I'm going to need to do something about this. When I was putting my chickens away last night, I discovered Todd sitting on the lid of the outhouse potty. So today the plan is to cover the potty, lay some hay and some wood chips, and install a perch, and then incorporate the outhouse into the fence, the chicken fence, so that he'll be safe at night, but at least have some place to hang out in that's out of the wind, out of the weather, and safe for Todd. And maybe even any hen or two that joins him. So that's going to be my project today. I think I'm going to have to break out the chainsaw because I have an issue over here that I'm going to show you. There are 2 large pieces of metal on a piece of steel wire that was left here. And it's been here for a while because this tree has grown up through the steel wire, and now the only choice I have is to cut down this tree to move this. So that's my dilemma for the day. As I walk through here and look, I guess I am going to have to break out my chainsaw. I need to take down that tree. And then since I have it out, I might as well take down the privet hedge that's growing over there and whatever those trees are over here. I'll show you. Yeah, I'm going to take down these little trees and trim up that stump. So this is a nice flat area, and maybe that stump over there too. So that's the plan for today. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean up the outhouse and get it ready for Todd and whatever hen might want to join me. Gonna check it out. So basically all I've done is just spread a little shavings on the floor. Put a garbage can over the toilet because I don't want it damaged. I mean, it is an antique. And I put in a piece of plywood that was in the other shed. It sits in there pretty tight. I don't think I'm gonna screw it in, because this is not a permanent chicken coop. It's just temporary until I can get the other one fixed. And Todd's new home. And the view from the other side. I Need to work on getting some of this wood replaced so it's a little bit more secure. But I've got 3 sides that are enclosed so it'll block the wind and keep him out of the rain. Now it's time to pull out my chainsaw and get started on these trees. Well, I got those trees down and I have a bunch of stumps. I always have such a dilemma with stumps. I'm not quite ready to cut that other tree down. I need to go put another sharper blade on my chainsaw. It's kind of dull. It's spitting sawdust at me. So I may go put the other blade on it. I believe I already have a sharp one in there. And then get the keys to the tractor because I'm not carrying all this stuff in that little cart. It's just too much. Tractor's a lot faster. It makes life a lot easier. Plus, it hasn't been run in a couple of weeks, so it's time to start it up and make it work. Use it to our advantage. I think that's enough playing with a tractor today. I got those trees down and moved, and it's starting to drizzle. Wasn't supposed to rain today. It's amazing how quickly weather changes. But anyway, I need to finish up with this fence and I think I'm gonna call it a day. So, need to move this stuff around and adjust my fence a little. All right, that's done for now. I'll see if I'll cut that tree down tomorrow. We'll see what the weather's like. And it seems like it stopped drizzling, but I still feel something every once in a while. Just moisture in the air, I guess. Okay, so here is the new setup for the fence. Before I had the fence on this corner, but I've now moved it to the other corner so that Todd can get into his new coop, so he has a place to go to at night where he's at least safe. I am starting to worry about him disappearing. He has had a really bad habit of running around the yard first thing in the morning. Not a good thing. I still have my evening chores. I gotta make sure I feed my chickens, put them up for the night, and collect eggs. And so that's gonna be it. Thanks for coming by and joining me. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. You guys have a great day.